Welcome back to my random junk. As you can see here, I'm doing something slightly different, and I am making a food product today. So this isn't an instruction video of how to make step by step, because it's not that hard, it's not that brilliant, and it's not a genius thought. But as a pizza lover, I was sitting there thinking the other day, I was like, you know what? I like sausage subs, but what if I just took a pizza and use that as the bun? You know, bun. I don't know why I'm saying it like that. But, yeah, it's a very simple concept. So, I was like, what if I make it, and this is the first time I'm making it. It might be horrible, it might be good. I don't know, but this is what we're going to find out. I'm not on Pinterest. I know this is more of a Pinterest idea of writing out steps, taking photos, and yada, yada, yada. But I'm not on Pinterest. I don't plan on being on Pinterest. It's cool, but I decided to make a video for it. So, once again, it's very basic. You just make a small pizza, cook it so the crust isn't crusty, or crispy, or crunchy, whatever word works for it. Yeah, make sure you can wrap it around, not wrap it around, but just basically make it a U shape, put the sausage right there, and boom, there you have it. So, this is that concept, okay? So when you're making your dough, you just want to make it just like, you know, about the size of the sub, you know, the circumference of it, so there's a little bit of room for overlap. And I know you usually use a larger sausage, but this is just what I had, and I didn't feel like buying any for this video, so I'm sorry. So I got some garlic and herb dough, which I really enjoy, so that's what I'm using. And yeah, what we got here is simple pizza ingredients. Sauce, cheese, and I'm putting pepperoni, so it's going to be pepperoni sausage sub. Okay? So you know, you can use anything you want. You can customize your sauce. You know, a lot of people like to do pepper and onions on your subs. I don't. So you can cook this. Basically, you do all your toppings like a pizza. And so you just, boom, cook it and slap your sausage. Sorry, that sounds bad. You put the sausage in the pizza, you know, and boom, there you have it. So make it any way you want. I like mine, I want to do mine like a pizza. So, yeah. So I have my oven set for 450. I'm going to do my toppings. I'm going to put on a lot of sauce. I'm going to put on a crap load of cheese and a little bit more pepperoni than I should for this size. And yeah, so let's see what happens, okay? And here we got the pizza. Here's the sausage. And yeah, so I cooked this at about 475. I thought 450, but really 475. Anywhere between 7 to 10 minutes, based on your preference on how you want your topping cooked. So yeah, let's give this a try. Alright, so once again, not a hard concept. This is not, like I said, a brilliant thing. This is just going to be going like so. Boom, there you go. Pizza, sausage, sub. Alright, now let's roll it up and eat it. Like I said, you do any toppings you want, the way you like a sausage sub. Do it your own way. This is how I like it. So I have extra sauce here just in case, but yeah, I might have made it too thick. Hence, like I said earlier on, this is the first time I made it. There we have it. The pizza sausage sub. Look at that. Loaded with sauce, grease, and cheese. Oh yeah, this is fattening and definitely not good for you, but it's probably going to be delicious. Let's give it a shot, see how it tastes. Time to take our first bite. Oh yeah. Oh my god. That's flipping good. I put so much cheese and sauce in this thing. Oh my god. Yes. Now, I'm going to have to go for second bite in a second, but the second bite's just as delicious as the first. I think I just got onto something here. So, Oh man. Oh. If you like sausage on pizza, oh my god. That's pretty awesome. I think I have to admit. That is awesome. I don't know what to call it. I'm just going to call it a pizza sausage sub. Because you can't call it a sausage pizza sub. Because, I don't know, it sounds confusing. I think. I don't know. Feel free to leave a comment below what you think it might be called. Please don't make it dirty, because anything with sausage can be, turned into something dirty. But this is pretty damn good. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if somehow this thing has already been kind of created by just taking a pizza and then putting a sausage, in it and making a, sausage sub out of a pizza, that's not a wrap. Keep in mind, not a wrap. A legit pizza. Please leave a comment below what it is, because I couldn't find it. So that's why I did a video about it. So, alright. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, please like and subscribe. Try and get my views up. And have a happy holiday. And if you watch this after the holiday, happy next holiday. Whatever holiday's next. Enjoy.